Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're signed in and ready. First, confirm you're using the calendar tied to this event because edits apply per account. Once done, switch to a clear view, day or week, so the time grid is visible. Find the event by scanning the time slot, using the search bar, or opening your agenda list. If you can't edit, make sure you're the organizer or have edit access, otherwise request permission. Now select the event to reveal quick edit options and the full event details screen. Once the event details screen is open, choose the fastest method. Drag the block to a new slot for a quick move or tap the edit icon to change precise times. When editing, update the date, start and end times, and the time zone if attendees are remote. This prevents scheduling errors. If it repeats, modify recurrence rules so future occurrences match. Also verify notifications, location, conferencing links, and guest list. These settings control how, after making edits, always hit save, then choose send to notify guests so their calendars update. If you changed a recurring event, confirm whether the change applies to one instance or the entire series. Make sure the updated time shows on your mobile and web calendars. Syncing ensures everyone sees the right slot. If guests don't receive updates or the event won't move, refresh your browser or app, verify you have edit rights, and if needed, clear cache or re-add guests. Those steps fix most common problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.